Hello mga bossing, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jake. I'm regularly sharing and posting online freelancing tips on how to make money online or how to become an online freelancer or how to become a virtual assistant. So ngayon, ituro ko sa iyo kung paano nyo ba i-connect yung Instagram account nyo from your Facebook page. So ngayon, pumunta muna tayo sa screen natin. So ito yung dapat natin gawin guys. First is you need to have your Facebook page na app. Ito yung Facebook page natin na app guys. Yung Pages Manager. Kailangan natin kasi nga hindi mo siya ma-access using your personal account. Ito ang dapat natin gamitin, yung Pages Manager. So, click natin yan and wait lang natin mag-load. So, ito yung bagong Facebook page ko, itong Boss Jake TV. Lagyan natin ng Instagram. So, paano ba natin gawin yan? First is you need to click dito sa may parang may briefcase, and then you need to go to settings. After settings, dyan, nakalagay dyan, connect. So, tip lang guys, dapat mag-connect kayo sa Instagram, dapat may naka-on na mobile data nyo, hindi yung free data, yung talagang mobile data para ma-access mo yung internet. Okay, kasi kailangan ng internet to eh. So, next is, pag makita mo na yung Instagram, i-click mo na lang yung connect. Okay, click mo na yung login. Then, ito yung mangyari guys. So, basically, papiliin ka kung anong dapat mong gawin. So, kung wala ka pang account, click itong sign up. Okay, papiliin ka phone ba or email. Pwede ka mag-sign up using email. So, sa case ko, ito yung mangyari kapag email. And ito yung result pag phone. So, ito yung gawin ko guys. So, ito yung number ko. Type mo lang dyan ang number mo. The next. Then, magantay ka lang sa notification. Makikita mo dyan sa taas. Wait ka lang. Ito yung notification. Okay. Then, next. Ito yung name mo guys. Na register mo sa name and password pag login mo next time. So ilagay mo ito yung Boss Jake TV. Okay? Then lagay ka ng password. Lagay ka ng password. Then boom. Then of course yung birthday mo. Okay. Next. Then ito na yung nakalagay dyan, welcome to Instagram Boss Jake TV. So ito na yung username mo guys. So Boss Jake TV, may Boss Jake TV ka na. So you can also change your name if you don't like this one, but in my case, I'm good with that. So basically, kung ano yung name na na-register mo sa full name, yun din ang lalabas dito sa parang username mo. So click mo lang yung next, pag okay ka na dyan. Then, nakalagay dito, connect to Facebook to find friends to follow. So, pwede mo siya i-connect. So, nangyayari, lagi mo yun sa Facebook mo. So, yun lang guys. This is how easy it is to set up your Facebook account to your Instagram account. So, pwede mo na siyang ilagin using those details. So, if you want to log into your Instagram, i-X mo lang yan. Balik ka dito sa Facebook page mo. Ito na yung Facebook page mo. And then, gusto mo mag-login sa Instagram. Pumunta ka sa Instagram, add account. Login to existing account. And yun, ito na yung Instagram account ko guys, Boss Jake TV. So kung lagay mo ng profile picture, click mo lang dyan, add profile photo, new profile photo, and then may nakalagay na ako dito na profile picture. Yan, okay? Then boom, may profile picture ka na. So that's how easy it is to connect your Facebook page to your Instagram account. So every time nagagawa ka ng Facebook ads, pwede mo na i-connect pwede ka rin mag-add sa Instagram ads para ma-reach mo din yung mga tao na active dito sa Instagram. That's it for this episode, guys. So see you sa next videos natin. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave your comment in the comment section. Thank you mga bossing and have a great day.